This time, Blackrock's behind-the-scenes activities have brought them back into the public eye. The previous 24 hours have yielded some really mind-blowing revelations, particularly for the Shiba Inu community. What's the major revelation, though? Okay, let's investigate. Welcome to Dr. Crypto, your daily serving of Shiba. This is the spot for you if you're curious about anything related to Shiba. If you want to keep informed about all the latest news forecasts and stay ahead of the curve in the crypto industry, subscribe. To get more SHIB news, be sure to click the like button. On Saturday, there was another significant drop in the cryptocurrency market, but this time it wasn't the typical cause of the havoc, a withdrawal from a Bitcoin ETF. Instead, many were taken aback by the rationale for this decline. Investors are starting to prepare for market collapses on a regular basis, particularly in light of the recurrent events associated with withdrawals of Bitcoin ETFs from organizations like Grayscale. Thus, when the cause diverges from this pattern, it attracts notice. However, what took place this time? According to this tweet, news of recent geopolitical tension caused Bitcoin to abruptly plummet by $6,000 in a matter of minutes. And this is something you need to know. Investor sentiment is significantly impacted by geopolitical issues. Even in cases unrelated to the financial markets, an increase in hostilities might make investors uneasy and afraid. Due to this uncertainty, investors often sell off high-risk assets, such as cryptocurrencies, in favor of safer havens, which results in a sharp decline in price. Second, since the cryptocurrency market is still relatively new and unstable, it is very susceptible to news and events. Any news might cause panic selling as investors scramble to reduce possible losses or uncertainty, particularly those pertaining to geopolitical tensions or regulatory crackdowns. Finally, because of how intertwined the world's markets are, developments in one area may have a significant impact on a variety of asset types, including cryptocurrencies. Reports of rising tensions in this specific location, in this instance, may cause a wider sell-off on international financial markets. The cryptocurrency market went into a frenzy yesterday, going through a rigorous stress test that resulted in liquidations of close to $1 billion. Shiba Inu is one of the main assets impacted by this negative trend. According to CoinGlass statistics, there were $3.63 million worth of liquidations in the past day alone. This amount of liquidation represents the astounding $14.8 trillion in Shiba Inu that were sold at this time. For those who do not know, liquidations happen when exchanges force traders to finish their positions in order to stop further losses. In essence, it refers to liquidating assets to offset losses, which often exacerbates market volatility in turbulent times. These figures are astounding in their magnitude. $14.8 trillion worth of Shiba Inus were sold in a single day. It's more than simply numbers on a screen for many people. It's a concrete illustration of severe losses and unpredictability. Investor panic and terror are definitely fueled by such massive liquidations. Without a doubt, this finding fueled the flames, causing a flood of both new and seasoned investors to liquidate their cryptocurrency holdings for fear of suffering further losses. I think of the phrase paper hands, which describes those who give up easily under duress and liquidate their assets at the first hint of problems. It's important to realize, however, that this automatic response is typical, particularly for those who are unfamiliar with the cryptocurrency world. Because of the unpredictability of Bitcoin markets and the fear of losing everything or missing out, people often make snap decisions. Therefore, it's important to understand that such emotions are normal given the conditions and the emotional roller coaster that comes with investing in cryptocurrencies, even if it might be easy to place blame or pass judgment. This is when the exciting part starts. Amid the commotion, something interesting appears. A Twitter user notes that Blackrock intervened and bought $110 million worth of Bitcoin at a time when panic selling ruled the market. For its ETF, they now own an astounding $19 billion worth of Bitcoin. In essence, BlackRock's action represents buying the dip, a tactic used by seasoned investors to profit from market declines by acquiring assets at reduced prices. By using this strategy, investors may take advantage of brief market volatility and add additional assets to their portfolio. As everyone knows, seasoned investors like to purchase the dip. They may purchase assets at a discount as a result, which might increase their profits when the market ultimately recovers. Additionally, it shows that investors are confident in the asset's long-term prospects, since they think the asset's brief decline is not indicative of its underlying worth. Now, however, you may be asking yourself, what's coming up? Well, as one Twitter user noted, just as yesterday's tensions started to build, Bitcoin dropped 10%. Making reference to a past incident, Bitcoin saw a 10% decrease when emotions grew similarly. What's notable, however, is that recovery happened quickly in both cases. This basically means that even while market downturns may be originally caused by geopolitical tensions, the Bitcoin market's resilience is shown by its capacity to recover very rapidly. It draws attention to how fleeting market responses to geopolitical developments are and stresses how crucial it is to have a long-term outlook in the face of short-term swings. However, there's more going on with Shiba Inus than what first greets the eye outside of the pricing chart. It seems sense that most individuals would just pay attention to the pricing chart. From an alternative viewpoint, however, this strategy seems to be a little blinkered. It's like focusing only on someone's attire and ignoring their personality or achievements. Yes, outside looks are important, but below is just as important, if not more so. Notable recent developments in the Shiba Inu case are noteworthy, especially in regard to Shibarium. An extraordinary spike in activity has been seen by Shibarium Scan. Daily transactions have increased dramatically by an astounding 347,000 in just the last day. This spike in activity on Shibarium emphasizes how crucial it is to pay attention to a project's fundamental dynamics and look beyond its price chart. In the end, these developments and inventions are what provide the groundwork for long-term, steady growth and value appreciation. And this is an incredible 6,000% spike in Shibarium activity in only 4 days, reaching its highest point since March 25th. There has been a notable change in the Shiba Inu network's dynamics. Not to mention, the sudden decline in Shibarium activity to almost none raised worries among the Shiba Inu community. The abrupt decline alarmed investors since it was unsettling news that Shibarium, which was previously a popular platform with hundreds of millions of transactions, was becoming inactive. However, there is now cause for optimism since activity on Shibarium has begun to increase once again. This increase is great news for all Shiba Inus, as it suggests that interest in and use of the platform may resurrect. And here is where the member of the official Shiba Inu development team intervened. Lucy, the Shiba Inu team's official marketing expert, has expressed optimism about the future of Shibarium. Lucy told the Shiba Inu community via a resolute tweet that the team is dedicated to seeing Shibarium thrive in the cryptocurrency space. She underlined that the team's unwavering objective is to raise Shibarium to the top of the cryptocurrency market, regardless of new members joining or departing. Lucy posted, "We won't stop," demonstrating their unrelenting resolve. Additionally, Lucy expressed her opinion that even in a bull market, there would be corrections in the cryptocurrency market, especially as long as the Hong Kong cryptocurrency ETF or any other spot ETF is approved. There have been rumors circulating this week that a spot ETF that would let investors purchase Ethereum and Bitcoin is almost approved in Hong Kong. The establishment of a spot ETF in Hong Kong or any other major financial center creates opportunities for institutional investors to join the cryptocurrency market, which might increase demand and raise prices for cryptocurrencies. For this reason, the news is noteworthy. We are all aware of the events that followed the newly authorized Bitcoin ETF in the US and the ongoing developments in the cryptocurrency market. It represents a significant advancement in the acceptance and legalization of cryptocurrencies as viable investment options. Thus, it seems that the cryptocurrency industry may have a promising future very soon. However, what are your thoughts about that? Please leave a comment below. I look forward to reading your thoughts. The date is over now. Remember to give it a big thumbs up. To see our most recent material, share it and subscribe to the channel.